Hmm. Hi everyone, welcome to ED 633. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the course and what to expect in this first module. So I'm Dr. Joshua Schultz, and this is our course on educational research. So I look forward to working with each and every one of you as we go through this online course. A little bit about myself, for those of you who don't know me. I have been a professor here in education and ESOL for about 4 years. I'm originally from Boston. I was a classroom teacher for 12 years. I have my doctorate from UMass. My specialty is in language and literacy and culture, and I've taught this course before with a lot of help from the original course designer, Dr. Del Shepich. So I'm really looking forward to helping support you as you finish your work in your MS-Ed, coursework. The course is designed to support graduate students as you are working towards finishing the capstone of your MS-Ed, which is for most folks a thesis. So each week we will have a module. The overview of the course is that we're going to be looking at educational research materials. Then we're going to look at the different kinds of research, quantitative, qualitative, mixed methods, teacher action research, etc. And then you're going to have time to actually do some writing. Okay, so I'm going to try to tailor the assignments so they're open enough for you to work towards your own goals. Okay, and I'll give you my role is going to be that of facilitator. I'll offer expertise when possible. I'll choose materials and videos for the course and give you a lot of feedback to help you get into your goals. It's not a lot of lecture from me. My presence will be in the feedback that I give you. Okay, so if you have any questions, commentary, etc., let me know. This week's module, each module is typically due on Mondays. This week is going to be no exception. It'll begin on Monday, and then the subsequent Monday, everything should be due. This first week, it's a little bit crazy. Okay, so I'm looking over here. I'm outside. It's a beautiful day, and you can see my dog is behind me. So he'll probably start to talk in about 2 seconds. Okay, right, Sebastian? He's a good guy. Okay. So this first week is going to be, like I mentioned, is going to be about looking at doing explorations of what's the research like in your field. So if you click on the directions here, there's an overview of the module. Okay, this is what to expect. I'd like you to look at some of the research articles that are available. I made at least 4 of them available to you. You can look at them. You can choose other research articles. It's okay. I don't really want you to read them deeply. I just want you to be able to spend some time looking at how they're organized, what's their audience, what's their purpose, etc. Okay, so you'll read them, skim and scan them, and then there is a project. The first project. There are the 2 parts that you're going to complete in this short week. Okay. And the directions are here on the module. Okay? So, that's that. There's also 2 forums that you'll engage in. The forums are opportunities for you to kind of share out a little bit more informally, and they're visible to your classmates. Feel free to also participate, pitch in, share some extended discourse on those forums. So I create those for you. Project 1. If you click here, there are your directions for Project 1. You're going to be examining, is it research? Okay, so you'll look at the role of research in the professions. You'll look at academic writing. There are 3 aspects that I want you to look at: research and content delivery, academic writing, and what your preference is, really. Not everybody loves every kind of research. I love to read research. I love to read research in my specific expertise of language, but I also have a number of anything generally related to social sciences or reading language or schools in general. I tend to prefer to read qualitative rather than quantitative research, just because I'm just drawn to the stories and the narratives that are very informative to me. But that's just a personal preference. Okay, so you're going to have an opportunity to look at that. The rubric is here. This is how I will assess you. So that's it in a nutshell. The last thing I wanted to mention is that I've taught this course before. I'll try to make the module will definitely be available to you by Mondays at the latest. But I've taught this course before, so I'll try to make the modules available to you early so you can have a little bit of an opportunity to just kind of plan your own time. I know this is a stressful time for folks because of all that's going on, but working together, we can support each other and have a successful course. So you'll find that I'm pretty approachable. I don't have online right now. I don't have any on-campus office hours, but send me an email. I'm going to try to manage my time. I'm pretty accessible, but at the same time, I'm not the time life operator. I'm not always there, but I'll Monday through Friday, I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible if you send me an email. So I know most of you already. I looked at the class list and recognized some faces and names. So glad to be working with you. And undoubtedly, as soon as I say goodbye, I will remember something else. But let me know if you have any questions.